everyone, so today I have got the Lookfantastic Summer Edit Unbox. I don't know whether this is still available. I did order this a little while ago. This is £45, but I think I got like a £5 off for some reason. But I'll have it linked down below if it is, or I'll have Lookfantastic linked down below. And anyways, I do have a coupon code for Lookfantastic. I'm not sure if it works on this, but it works on a lot of items from Lookfantastic. I'll have that on the screen there. We'll give you a discount. If not, it's always worth putting in the description box because it will let you know if a coupon. Normally, if it says once you put that in, this coupon code won't work on these items, this coupon code might, and then you can. So it's always worth putting it in the coupon code box. And anyways, I'm going on holiday soon, so I seen this, and one of the items I've been wanting to try for ages, which is in this box, and I thought, right, well, I'm going to get that because it's not a cheap item in itself, and I'm getting a lot more extra items as a bonus. I am getting this lovely mesh makeup bag as well, which I'm really liking the mesh makeup bags. But the item that I've just bought a set of mist because I didn't think I had one. It is what it is. It is what it is. But this was the item that I wanted, which is the Super Goop Glow Screen SPF. This is SPF 30. It has UVA and UVB SPF, and it is a sunscreen primer, which I've wanted to try for ages. I think this has got the tint in it. I'm sure I've looked at it. I can't remember. But this is something I've wanted to try for the longest time, and I was debating on buying it for my holiday because I'm actually going on holiday. But I got this box instead. So this is it. Yeah, I do feel like this has got a glow or a tint to it. So that is it there. Oh, lovely. And yeah, it's just a bit of SPF. I am getting a little bit of sun damage. I don't know if you can tell around the edges of my hairline. Yeah, so I definitely want a little bit more SPF for the face. And anyways, and then next item, which I didn't know we got, or we've gotten, or we got, I don't know, however you want to say it, is the Makeup Forever Mix and Fist 24-hour Hydrating Set and Mist. I love Makeup Forever. One of my favourite mascaras is from Makeup Forever, and I haven't used it in years. I wonder if that's still available. I might have to look into that because I get so much makeup and things like that. I've never had to repurchase a mascara for a long time, but I do love the Makeup Forever mascara. I'm gonna have to look into that. But don't really care about Makeup Forever for much. But it's a 24-hour one, so yeah. Shall we have a go? Oh, I'm not keen on the mister. Oh, it's better now. But I'm still not the biggest fan of the mister. Smells nice. Yeah, I'm not sure about that. Then we've got a little cream from Aveeno. This is the Skin Renewal Smoothing Cream. It softens and smooths for dry, rough and bumpy skin. Also suitable for people who may be prone to keratosis pilaris. Fragrance free with nourishing or naturally delivered PHA and niacinamide. I'll keep that for the top of my arms then. Yes, I will. Thank you. Then we've got a Sol de Janeiro 62 Cheirosa. Honestly, I'm not the biggest fan of this scent. I like it. It's alright, but I don't get the hype. I really just don't get the hype. I don't know if it's because I've smelled it so much that I don't get the hype. Then we've got the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. I mean, this is my favourite dry shampoo ever. So that was another thing that swayed me to this bag. Then we've got the Bumble & Bumble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Heat UV Protective Primer. Got loads of things like this and I never use. It's for dry to very dry hair, which is very much me actually. I'm very much a hair oil girl. Then we've got the Rimmel Lasting Finish Lip Liner. Oh, this isn't like a brown shade. I love a good brown lip liner. Okay, thank you. And then we've got something from NARS, which wouldn't be cheap in itself. This is a cream blusher in the shade Orgasm, which I'm actually quite excited about because I feel like I just need something new in my life. And this is it, yeah. It's been that long since I've wore Orgasm as a shade, like the shade from NARS. So I'm going to try my Orgasm blush, like powder blush, before I even try that because I'm a little bit darker skinned at the minute and I don't know whether that would work, like be something that would work for me, and I don't want to go waste. And that is everything that you get, or you would get, in the Lookfantastic Summer Edit Box or whatever this is called. So you get NARS Mini, I think that is, cream blusher, Mini Living Proof Perfect Hair Dry Shampoo. I mean, amazing. The Bumble and Bumble product, the Super Glow Screen, the Sol de Janeiro little mini perfume. I mean, it's alright, isn't it? The Rimmel lip liner, the Aveeno cream, and then the makeup for this feels like a full size 100ml setting mist. So yeah, not bad at all. And that is what you're getting it for £45. I'm happy with it. Have you guys bought this? Have you purchased this? Is this still available? I do not know. But if you have purchased it, let me know what you think of it in anyways. But I hope you enjoyed this video in anyways. If you like these type of videos, I would love it if you subscribe down below. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye!